At the crossroads, navigating life's decisions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, crossroads situation. This expression is rich in meaning and quite common in both everyday conversations and literature. Understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore what it means to be at a crossroads and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. A crossroads situation refers to a point in life, a project, or a story where a significant decision must be made. Think of it as standing at an intersection, where each road leads to a different outcome. This moment is crucial because the choice you make can significantly alter the course of events. The term crossroads can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it's the point where two roads intersect. Metaphorically, it symbolizes a pivotal moment requiring a crucial decision that will shape the future. To better understand how to use crossroads situation in context, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal life. Deciding whether to pursue further education or jump straight into the workforce can be a crossroads situation for many young adults. 2. Career. Choosing between accepting a secure job offer or starting your own business presents another common crossroads. 3. Relationships. Sometimes, deciding whether to work on a challenging relationship or part ways can be a crossroads moment. These examples illustrate that crossroads situations involve choices that are not just simple decisions but ones that can change the trajectory of one's life or circumstances. Now that we understand what a crossroads situation is, let's see how it can be incorporated into your English. After graduating, I was at a crossroads situation, unsure if I should continue my studies or start working. The company is at a crossroads, deciding whether to expand overseas or focus on local markets. He stood at a life-changing crossroads, choosing between his career and moving abroad for love. Being at a crossroads is a powerful concept that describes those critical moments in life where our decisions set the path forward. Whether you're discussing personal choices, career moves, or pivotal moments in stories, the phrase, crossroads situation, can add depth to your conversation and writing. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of crossroads situation in the English language. Remember, standing at a crossroads isn't just about making a decision, it's about choosing a direction for your life's journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.